the health benefits of cleaning, and grilling safety tips. This is your June 2020 Live Well, Work Well video. Number 1. Health benefits of cleaning. Have you ever wondered why you feel so good after you've cleaned your house? It's not just in your head. There's science behind those feelings. Researchers found that when your home is clean, your daily mood and ability to focus improves. If a boost to your mood isn't reason enough to tidy up at home, cleaning up can also provide the following health benefits. Minimizes the spread of viruses and bacteria. Reduces allergens in your home. Improves your immune system. Number 2. Grilling safety tips. When you think of grilling, you probably think of all the tasty food you can serve up, not the dangers that grills present. Each year, thousands of Americans are sent to the ER because of grilling accidents. To avoid becoming a grilling mishap statistic, we've cooked up the following safety precautions. Place your grill at least 3 feet away from other objects, including your house, trees, and outdoor seating. Don't let children or pets play near the grilling area when you're cooking. Exercise caution as you flip foods on the grill to ensure that your hands and arms don't get burned. For more information on these topics, request the full copy of the June 2020 Live Well, Work Well newsletter today.